Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the chemical properties of carbon compounds. अभी तक हम लोग भौतिक गुणों के विषय में पढ़ा है। आप लोगों को पता है कि ज़्यादातर ईंधन हम प्रयोग करते हैं उसमें या तो कार्बन होता है या कार्बन का कंपाउंड रहता है। अतः हम कुछ महत्वपूर्ण केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी के विषय में जानेंगे। नंबर 1, कंबस्शन रिएक्शन ऑफ कार्बन कंपाउंड। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि जब ईंधन को ऑक्सीजन की उपस्थिति में जलाते हैं तो क्या होता है, गर्मी निकलती है, रोशनी निकलती है और कुछ गैसें निकलती हैं। अतः कार्बन इन ऑल इट्स एलोट्रॉपिक फॉर्म्स बर्न्स इन ऑक्सीजन टू गिव CO2 गैस along with the release of heat and light. Further, most carbon compounds also release a large amount of heat and light on burning. कुछ oxidation reactions are carbon plus O2 makes CO2 plus heat and light. कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में बर्न होकर CO2 गैस बनाता है और गर्मी और रोशनी देता है। सिमिलरली मीथेन CH4 plus 2O2 makes CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat and light, and CH3CH2OH यानी इथेनॉल अल्कोहल react with 3 molecule of oxygen and form 2 molecule of CO2 and 3 molecule of H2O plus heat and light. इस तरह कार्बन या कार्बन कंपाउंड ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्शन करके CO2, हीट एंड लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और कंपाउंड पानी भी बनाते हैं। Some special features of combustion reaction. Number 1, saturated hydrocarbons will generally give clean flame. Number 2, unsaturated hydrocarbon compounds will give a yellow flame with lots of black smoke. Number 3, in case of incomplete combustion, even saturated hydrocarbons giving a sooty flame. Number 4, fuels such as coal and petroleum have some amount of nitrogen and sulfur in them. Due to these elements, combustion results in the formation of oxide of sulfur and nitrogen, which are major pollutants in the environment. Number 2, next, oxidation reaction of carbon compound. In this module, we will learn about the oxidation of carbon compounds. Reaction that involves addition of oxygen to a compound is termed as एन ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन। यानी जिस रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीजन किसी कंपाउंड में ऐड होता है उसे ऑक्सीकरण प्रक्रिया कहते हैं। कंबस्शन रिएक्शन इज एन ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन also. Earlier we have seen methane react with oxygen and form CO2, water and heat. In addition to this, we have reaction in which alcohol are converted to carboxylic acid. For example, methanol in the presence of alkaline potassium permanganate plus heat form methanoic acid. Similarly, ethanol in the presence of oxidizing agent acidified potassium dichromate and heat for इथेनोइक एसिड। संक्षिप्त में हम इस निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचते हैं कि Chemical reaction that involves addition of oxygen to a compound are termed as oxidation reaction. Combustion of a compound is a type of a oxidation reaction. Many carbon compounds undergo oxidation in the presence of oxidizing agent. The substance that capable of oxidizing other substance are known as oxidizing agent. Number 3, addition reaction of carbon compounds. Those reactions in which a simple module added to an unsaturated compound to form a single product are called addition reaction. Now question arises, what is mean by addition in carbon compound? जब कार्बन कंपाउंड में कुछ जुड़ जाने से एक नया पदार्थ बन जाता है उसे एडिशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं. We know that carbon has tetravalency and it can make bond with 4 other atoms. In saturated alkane compounds like methane, ethane, propane, carbon has single bond with hydrogen atoms, and if any other atom is added to it, then carbon has to have 5 bond, which is not possible. Hence, we can conclude that saturated alkane compound will never have addition reaction. Therefore, addition reaction will with alkane carbon compound is impossible. In addition reaction is possible with unsaturated alkane carbon compound with carbon-carbon double bond and unsaturated alkyne carbon compound with carbon-carbon triple bond. The addition reaction with alkenes of a substance A2 will take one atom bond and only one bond between carbon-carbon remains. In case of alkyne, triple bond between carbon will reduce to 2 and will become less unsaturated. To make the addition reaction fast, unsaturated hydrocarbons add hydrogen in the presence of catalysts such as palladium, nickel, platinum to give saturated hydrocarbons. Actually, palladium, nickel, platinum metals have very fine pores on their outer surface, and hydrogen is filled in the pore and help in reaction. The addition reaction in carbon compounds are commonly used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oil using a nickel catalyst. Reaction of vegetable oil with hydrogen is shown where vegetable oil make vegetable ghee, saturated fat. हमें यह याद रखना चाहिए कि एनिमल फैट्स generally contain saturated fatty acid which are said to be harmful for health, and oil containing unsaturated fatty acids should be used for cooking. Number 4, substitution reaction in carbon compounds. A substitution reaction is one in which an atom or a group of atoms in the compound are replaced by another atom or group of atoms. Substitution reactions are also called a single replacement reaction, single displacement reaction, or single substitution reaction. We know that saturated hydrocarbons are fairly unreactive and are inert in the presence of most reagent. However, in the presence of sunlight, chlorine is added to hydrocarbons in a very fast reaction. For example, CH4 methane plus Cl2 chlorine in the presence of sunlight make CH3Cl plus HCl. Here chlorine atom replace hydrogen atom. It is called substitution reaction. CH3Cl further react with OH ion and make CH3OH and chlorine. अब हम लोग कुछ प्रश्न एनसीईआरटी पेज 71 का हल करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 1. Why is conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid an oxidation reaction? पहले एथेनॉल ऑक्सीजन एटम से रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीजन एटम एक हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ एथेनॉल replaces and make ethanol and H2O. Here removal of hydrogen atom is a oxidation reaction. Ethanol react again with oxygen atom and make ethanoic acid. In this reaction, oxygen atom is added in ethanol to make ethanoic acid. Gain of oxygen is called oxidation. Hence, conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid is oxidation reaction. Question 2. A mixture of oxygen and ethane is burned for welding. Can you tell why a mixture of ethane and air is not used solution? A mixture of oxygen and ethane is burned for welding instead of mixture of ethane and air because the production of heat is very important for welding metals. When oxygen and ethane is burned, it burns completely and produces higher temperature than air, and ethane burning. Oxygen and C2H2 produce very hot blue flame, but the mixture of air and ethane gives smoky dull flame, which means that there are unburned particles resulting in lesser heat. That's why mixture of ethane and air is not used for welding. Now we'll learn about some important organic compounds like ethanol. Ethanol is a chemical compound, a simple alcohol with the chemical formula C2H5OH. It can also be written as CH3 single bond CH2 single bond OH. Ethanol की भौतिक गुण, physical properties of ethanol. Number 1, ethanol is a liquid at room temperature. Number 2, ethanol is commonly called alcohol and is the active ingredient of all alcoholic drinks. Number 3, ethanol is soluble in water in all proportions. यानी कितनी भी मात्रा में पानी और इथेनॉल को मिलाएं वे पूरी तरह से घुल जाते हैं. नंबर 4, इट इज गुड सॉल्वेंट. It is used in medicines such as tincture iodine, cough syrup, and mini tonics. Number 5. Consumption of ethanol causes drunkenness, यानी इथेनॉल पीने से मादकता छा जाती है. Number 6. Intake of even small quantity of pure ethanol can be lethal, यानी थोड़ी मात्रा में शुद्ध इथेनॉल पीने से घातक हो सकता है. Now we will learn about chemical properties of ethanol. Now, number 1, reaction with metals. Ethanol react with sodium and make sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. 2C2H5OH plus 2Na make 2C2H5ONa plus H2 gas. Here, sodium atom replace hydrogen atom and take the place of hydrogen and make sodium salt. This reaction take place because sodium is more reactive than hydrogen atom. इसी तरह से पोटेशियम इथेनॉल से प्रतिक्रिया करके पोटेशियम इथॉक्साइड बनाता है और हाइड्रोजन गैस बनाता है. Number 2, dehydration of ethanol. Heating ethanol at 443 Kelvin temperature with excessive concentrated H2SO4 results in dehydration of ethanol to give unsaturated ethene and H2O. Here, concentrated sulfuric acid can be regarded as a dehydrating agent which remove water from ethanol. Application of ethanol. Number 1, used for alcoholic drinks. Number 2, use of ethanol as fuel. Ethanol burns to produce CO2 and water and can be used as a fuel in its own right or in mixture with petrol as gasohol, in which approximately 10 to 20% ethanol is used. Since ethanol can be produced by fermentation, this is a useful method for countries without an oil industry to reduce the amount of petrol import. Number 3, ethanol is considered universal solvent. It is also an important industrial solvent. It is widely used as a solvent in printing ink. It is also used in the manufacture of cosmetic and pharmaceutical industry. Dyes are also added to color the alcohol blue so that it can be easily identified and prevented to use or consumption by people. Like ethanol, propanol also has antiseptic properties and is used in hand sanitizers and hand wipes. Number 4, it is used for making perfumes and deodorant. Ethanol is used in medicine as a topical anti-infective. Now we will learn about ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is commonly called acetic acid and belongs to a group of acid called carboxylic acid. 5.8% solution of ethanoic acid in water is known as vinegar and used as a preservative in pickles. इथेनोइक एसिड के भौतिक गुण. नंबर 1, इट्स मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इज 290 degree Kelvin. It is approximately 17 degree centigrade. Number 2, during winters it often freezes in cold climate and form ice like flakes. Therefore, it is called glacial acetic acid. Number 3, it is weaker acid than HCl but stronger than alcohol. Chemical properties. Reaction with base. Reaction of ethanoic acid with base. As we know that acid plus base result in salt and water. Therefore, like mineral acid, ethanoic acid reacts with a base such as NaOH to give a salt, sodium ethanoate and water. Similarly, KOH also react and make potassium ethanoate and water. Number 2, esterification reaction. Esters are most commonly formed by reaction of an acid and an alcohol. Carboxylic acid plus alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 makes ester and water. Here concentrated H2SO4 is a catalyst and strong dehydrating agent. Next, CH3COOH plus CH3 single bond CH2OH make CH3 single bond C double bond O, again single bond O, again single bond CH2 and single bond CH3. This is ester. This is also called ethyl ethanoate plus H2O. Ester are sweet smelling substance. These are used in making perfumes and deodorant and also as flavoring agents. Saponification reaction. When ester is treated with NaOH, which is an alkali strong base, the ester is converted back to alcohol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid, which is basic unit of soap. This reaction is known as saponification because it is used for preparation of soap. Here reaction is CH3COO C2H5 plus NaOH makes C2H5OH plus CH3COO Na. Here it makes ethanol and sodium salt of ethanoic acid. CH3COO Na is also called sodium acetate. Since NaOH is strong base, hence salt made by this process will be basic salt, which is slippery in nature. We conclude that soaps are sodium or potassium salts of long chain of carboxylic acid, that is multiple carbon and hydrogen atoms will make soap. Number 4, reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonate. Ethanoic acid reacts with carbonates and bicarbonates to give rise to a salt, CO2 and water. Salt produced is commonly called sodium acetate. Reaction is like this: 2CH3 COOH plus Na2CO2 CO3 makes 2CH3 COONA plus CO2 plus H2O. Here sodium atom replace hydrogen atom in carboxylic acid and make sodium acetate salt. Further, CH3COOH plus NaHCO3 makes CH3COONA plus CO2 plus H2O. Here, sodium present in sodium bicarbonate replaces hydrogen atom from ethanoic acid and forms salt, sodium acetate. आप लोगों से गुजारिश है कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एवं लाइक करें, बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हमारे नए ऑडियो सोप एवं डिटर्जेंट का नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत मिले और आप हमारे ऑडियो का फायदा उठा सकें।